Do you know when you are connected to the internet, you are automatically assigned an IP address, and this address can be mapped to a geographical location. With this info, you can locate someone either by region, country, or even their precise location, like coordinates. So now let's use the website, the web browser in Kali Linux. So just type ipinfo.io, the search bar, hit enter. Now you see this page. Just go to the search box right here, then type, let's use this IP 8.8.8.8. Now hit enter. Now we can see the information of the IP that we just searched. We can see the host name, that is dns.google. We can see the company. We can see underneath the IP geolocation, we can see the city, that is Mountain View. We can see the state, that is California. We can see the country, that is United States. We can even see the coordinates, the time zone, local time, and we can even see the map right here at the side. So we can click on the map, then you see the exact location on the map. So yes, this is the map. Yeah, we can also use the terminal in Kali to get the same info with this simple command. Just type curl ipinfo.io, then / the IP address, that is 8.8.8.8. Then we hit enter. Now we can see the same information that we got using the web browser. We have the host name, we have the city, we have the region, we have the country, you have the time zone and all that. Now, if you want to know your own IP address, let's use mine for instance. Just type this simple command, curl ipinfo.io, then we hit enter. Bingo! Now we can see my IP address, see my city, see my region, my country, time zone, my location, and all that. We can even trace one's IP address, but to do that, we need to install the IP tracer from GitHub onto Kali before we can use it to trace an IP address. So just go to your browser, then you type IP tracer. Click on the first link. This will bring you to the official website for you to to get it. So now just go to code, under HTTPS you copy the link. Under HTTPS you copy the link, then we head back to our Kali terminal. Head back to our Kali terminal. Then let me zoom in for you guys to see you all. So we'll type this simple command. Type this simple command, git clone, then we paste the link that we copied. We'll paste it, then we hit enter. Give it some time. So yes, it is done. We'll again type this command. we again type this command. cd you type it as you've seen it, exactly the same. cd IP tracer / then hit enter. So now as you can see, we will type this command sudo chmod plus then x then space install. They'll ask you for your password for your Kali, then you put it there. Then now we can see this. Now we can see the install file is now we can see the install. So we just type this command next, sudo / install. Then we hit enter. Then bingo, as we can see, the IP tracer has been successfully installed on Kali. Now, since the IP tracer has been installed, let's trace our first IP address. Just type this command, trace space -t. Let's use this IP address 8.8.8.8. Then we hit enter. Bingo. Now we can see the IP address, we can see the country code, we can see the country, see the region, you can see the zip code, you can see the various information that we need. Let's trace this IP address. Let's use a different IP and see if it will work. So just type trace space -t. Let's use this IP address 4.4.4.4. Then you hit enter. So now as you can see, it has also been traced successfully. We can see the IP address, the country code, the country, and all the remaining information that we needed. Now for the final aspect, I want us to trace my own IP address. So use this command, the same command, trace space -t. Then this is my address that I got earlier on, 154.161.23.4.4. Then we hit enter. So now as we can see, this is the information that I've gotten from tracing my own IP address. So I can see my IP address, I can see my country code, I can see my country, I can see the date, the region code, I can see the region, the time zone, the latitude, the longitude, the location, and all that. So yes, this is the end of the video. If you want to learn more about Kali or anything relating to cybersecurity, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.